The Samsung Galaxy A17. This has been one of the best Samsung selling phones over the years, according to Counterpoint Research. In Q1 2025, it was the 5th best-selling phone and Samsung's #1 best-sold phone. Also, in Q1 2024, it was the best-selling phone for Samsung after S24 Ultra and the 6th best-selling phone in the world. So from the statistics, this particular brand of Aseries has been maintaining consistency over the years. And if you were in Samsung shoes, you will do all your best to attract more sales. And guess what Samsung did with this particular A17 series? That is what we're about to find out in this review. Hello guys, welcome to Samsung Galaxy A17 review. Before we go straight to the unboxing experience, I would love you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I have this goal to get up to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and with your support, I guess the sky is only my starting point. Heading straight to the unboxing experience. Inside the box, like Samsung's culture has always been, you get the phone itself, which comes in black, blue and light green options. It is a classic Samsung style, minimalist and eco-friendly with recycled materials. You also get the USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool and some quick start guide. You won't find a charger in the box. I guess Samsung is pushing extensively wireless charging trends. But the phone itself feels premium and it's slim at just 7.5mm thick, weighing 192 grams, with a plastic back that mimics glass for a high-end vibe. Talking about the design and build quality, the A17 5G rocks a modern flat-edge frame with rounded corners. The back has a subtle matte finish that resists fingerprints. It is super pocketable and has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Plastic but feels solid with Gorilla Glass V2 Plus on the front for drop protection. It is IP54 weighted, which means that it can protect the phone from splashes, from light rains and gym sections. For the display quality, it comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, FHD Plus resolution at 385 ppi. However, it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling buttery smooth and gaming fluid. Colors are punchy and accurate with up to 800 nits of brightness, which is the same at A16. Not that bright in sunny environment, but indoors it shines well. For the performance, it is powered by a fresh Exynos 1330 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via microSD. For streaming, browsing, and light editing, it is zipping and efficient. Heat management is good as well, with no throttling during long sections. Now the AI features. With the Android 15 with One UI 7, you've got a circle to search for instant Google lookups, which is super handy for shopping and getting information from the internet. You also get a live translate, which works in calls and messages, and the Note AI Assist summarizes meetings or edit photos on a fly. It also has AI in the camera, which enhances photos for better low light performance, which are basically a daily lifesaver, just like a personal assistant. Now for the software. The A17 comes out of the box with Android 15 with One UI 7. For me, the One UI 7 has been one of the best customizable interfaces out there, packed with a whole lot of goodies. Like Samsung's culture, they promise 6 major Android updates up to Android 21 and 6 years of security patches. So by 2031, your phone software will still be up to date. That is, if you're still using it by that time. Now for the camera. Just like the others, it has the same camera build, but a triple rear camera setup, which are the 50MP main camera with OIS, which is a new feature added in the A17 series, 5MP ultra-wide for landscapes and 2MP micro for close-ups. Daytime photos are vibrant with natural colors and sharp details thanks to the large sensor. The A17 OIS shines well in low light, reducing blur and usable night shots. Video recording is at 1080p at 30 frames per second, and it has a 13MP front camera with AI beauty modes, which delivers flattering, detailed photos. For the battery, the 5000 mAh battery is a powerhouse, which easily lasts 10 to 12 hours when used for heavy tasks, and a full day when used moderately. It charges from 0 to 100% in 1 hour 30 minutes. For connectivity, the 5G is blazing fast, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC for contactless payments. It has no headphone jack just like normal trends nowadays, so you use Bluetooth and wireless earpiece. Like I said before, it has 25 watts charging with no wireless or reverse charging, which is found in phones in the same category. The price starts around $220 to $279. For Nigerian rate, you get it around 350,000 to 400,000 naira. While in India, you get it around 20,000 to 25,000 Indian rupee. In conclusion, for the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, it's quite a wonderful budget phone, at least counting on Samsung's years of reliability. It's also built on the A-series legacy, which comes with a wonderful build, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and a wonderful chipset, the Exynos 1330, for great performance. It has solid cameras which delivers great photos, and the addition of the OIS, which was not in the A16, makes it a wonderful take. It has an epic battery life, 5000 mAh, and AI features which feels futuristic. Basically, the A17 is a great phone with a few features which makes it better than the A16. But when compared with other phones within its category, it has a lot lagging behind. What do you think about the Galaxy A17? I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. Do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so glad you made it to the end. Do well to check out the A07 review, which was the last video that I made. The link is in the description. Until we meet next time, bye for now.